Is I empty this one, so I can clean it up. And this is all the pots that is inside there, and there's more over here. So we're gonna clean up because there's so much roots here came from downstairs, so they're going upstairs. So what we're gonna do is to clean up this para malinis abang yung pinsan ko ay nasa trabaho. Kaya yan, unti-untiin ko pong linis yan. So yan po, ilalagay ko lang po yung camera natin. So magsusuot po tayo ngayon ng gloves na isprayhan ko na po yan ng cockroach cleaner. Suot tayo ng gloves. Hindi kasi po natin to wala tayong tripod, kaya mahirap eh. Yung tripod ko po ay nasa baka bibili na lang ako ng panibagong tripod eh. So yan po. So hindi po natin to ngayon masusuot, diba? Ano nata dito? So, tingnan po natin kung natin ito malilinis, diba? So, ito guys.